Ladies and gentlemen, I'll now like to request our very learned and diligent Dean, Professor Latika Mohan, to present the welcome address.
Director, Dr. Rajkumar, MS, other learned faculty, students, delegates, members of the press. It is on behalf of the director and all the faculty members, I extend a very warm welcome to the members of and the fellows and the council members of the National Academy of Medical Sciences. It is an absolutely wonderful thing that we are having their 54th conference in our premises, and it will serve as a great fillip to the academic spirit in this institution, this fledgling institution. I am really happy that my little team of only 52 faculty members has been able to come of age to this extent that we are proudly hosting an a function of this magnitude. I'm really proud of my team of Shalini, Dr. Shalini Rao and her committee members who have put together this whole function. Now, a few words about alcohol. I have some personal experience regarding this because of a close family member who suffered from it. Alcohol has been there as long as humanity itself. And it is a part and parcel of our social and cultural system, even religious system in some areas. It's very difficult to predict which person who takes alcohol is going to be an addict and who isn't. So the whole, I mean, at the end of it, I would say that the best possible solution for it would be to have abstinence. That's not practical because each of us, many of us here enjoy a drink also, and it lubricates social functions and so forth. So I'm so glad that this issue has been taken up for debate in this August gathering with the highest and the cream de la cream of the medical fraternity, and to try and develop a roadmap as to how we should deal with it in our country. So warm welcome to all of you. I hope you enjoyed the next 3 days and have a wonderful time here. Enjoy Rishikesh as well. Thank you so much for being here.